Today I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful shrimp fried rice yourself. It's always a hit. It's a perfect dinner idea, and the sauce that we're going to make is really going to help the flavor of this shrimp pop. So let's get started here. We're going to start out with some shrimp, pour them into a bowl with some soy sauce, olive oil, and lime juice. Then we're grating in some freshly ground ginger. We got some garlic, and then we're seasoning our shrimp well. Give those a little toss, and now we're going to chop up some green onions and shallots. And then we're going to be firing up our 3-burner Char-Broil griddle. Add a little bit of beef tallow to your griddle once it gets nice and hot. Add your green onions, shallots, rice, and frozen peas, and then we're going to mix everything together and let it start to fry. For our sauce, we got soy sauce, sriracha, rice vinegar, lime juice, a little bit of freshly ground ginger and garlic, honey, and then some green onions. So let that sauce sit. We're checking in on our rice, push that to the side, and then we can add our shrimp. Toss those shrimp around, let them get a nice char, and then we're going to mix them in with our rice, adding a little bit more soy sauce for some flavor, and then cracking in a couple eggs, and then give that a mix, and then we're going to remove from our griddle to plate up with some of our sauce, and you are ready to enjoy.